Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, you will see a flight mode option, so tap on this option and here you will see a on off button. So if you want to enable airplane mode or flight mode, then turn this button on, and if you want to disable airplane mode or flight mode, then just simply tap on this button again to turn it back off. So turning on the airplane mode will turn off the all network connections including calling, texting, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So that's how you can enable or disable airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.